don't even have a license plate. What's your license plate?
First of all, I don't know who you think you're talking to. But do you want to spend an extra 30 days in custody? No, you don't. You don't care. That's why you're here charged with something.
What is your license plate?
I don't have to answer you, and I don't answer to you. And I'm not going to start now. Case number 25S00791. FY, People State of Michigan versus Timothy Dance.
Secretary on behalf of people.
Illinois, P87446, Stephen in for the attorney of record, Don Zonlin, and Gary on behalf of Mr. Dansley, who stands to my right. Mr. Dansley, can you please state your name for the record?
My name is Timothy Dansley, and I'm often represent myself and I'll take counsel as an assistant, you know. But I don't know who this being there. I never signed for no representation of counsel, so
Okay, you don't want a lawyer? You don't have to have one.
I'm gonna need somebody because apparently I can't get a hold of no paperwork I haven't received my discovery back.
Well, that's what we got lawyers for, sir.
To the counsel machine to get to the lawyer very well. I was in the county, so it's paying me hard. So I'm gonna need some type of system.
Okay, well, that's what we got for you. Okay.
I'm gonna be representing myself.
Well, we don't have standby lawyers. So either you want a lawyer or you do not.
Well, first is I wanna go ahead on with the preliminary.
Okay, well, first of all, you're charged with retail fraud first degree. Now, first degree retail fraud is a felony charge. So the maximum penalty on this charge, let's see.
I believe it's 5 years.
Yeah, 5 years and a $10,000 fine or 3 times the value. You know what? Let me tell you something. You got a happy mouth.
I got a brain go with you.
Well, you can have a, but you're disrespecting me.
I'm sorry.
Now I'm talking and you just cutting me off. So if nobody said you don't have a brain or anything, you just need to stop talking and listen to what I'm saying. All right. So this charge, you have a right to have a preliminary examination on this charge within 21 days of your arraignment date and within 7 days of today's probable cause date. So preliminary examination is the probable cause hearing where the prosecution puts on evidence to show probable cause to believe that this crime of retail fraud first degree was committed and that you were likely the one who committed it. And if in fact we have that hearing and they meet that burden, I'm going to send this over to circuit court for trial. If they don't meet their burden of proof, then of course this could be dismissed at this level. All right. So you understand all that. Now you don't have the discovery because I'm sure your lawyer probably doesn't have it either. Does Mr. Gonick have discovery?
Yesterday, we received paper discovery late yesterday. It will be sent to Mr. Danby today, and have not received any audiovisual discovery from my understanding.
I like to be honest, if you don't mind. About the motion, you know what I'm saying, for the fact that I haven't been denied. You know what I'm saying? And it's happening now. You know what I'm saying? And the prosecutor was conduct, she was government change. Even though
Sure.
in my mind.
Okay, that's a lot of talking. Where's the prosecutor? Yeah, but where's the prosecutorial misconduct?
Well, I should have had my discovery, y'all.
Sir.
Yeah.
Do you understand how this process works? Well, no, you shouldn't have had your discovery because this is the first hearing.
So it's not the first hearing. I don't prepare anything if I don't have any paper.
First of all, there is no preparing of anything just yet. Just yet. Because
People just stand here and just like, oh, yes, come on, this is not slavery. This is not the one. I am not the one. I don't care nothing about the United States. First of all,
apparently not.
Court.
You must not care too much about anything, sir. Okay.
Don't even have a license plate. What's your license plate?
First of all, I don't know who you think you're talking to. But do you want to spend an extra 30 days in custody? No, you don't. You don't care. That's why you're here charged with something.
What is your license plate?
I don't have to answer you, and I don't answer to you. And I'm not going to start now. You need to settle down. You need to settle down. Okay, take him out of here, please. That's okay. He's having his moments. So we're gonna adjourn this, and I'm gonna waive the 21-day, 7-day rule for this discovery. Yeah, welcome to Friday. All right, so we'll give you what do you think? You could just need video?
Understanding, yes.
Okay. So we'll give like a couple weeks to do it.
Yes.
Yeah. He's gonna want to see it, so you're probably gonna need to have him take a
I will
laptop over there to the jail and take his license to practice law to him. Okay. All right. So the next probable cause conference on this charge is gonna be.
All right, I just to make a record as regards to that discovery, I do have paper discovery, which council has noted that has been tendered already. I do not have does not appear that I have audiovisual discovery in my possession, but I will seek it should it exist.
Okay. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, there's not much we can do. But we'll see if it does, and we'll come back on.
Court's available August 25th at 9:30.
August 25th at 9:30. And hopefully your client will have had a chance to review everything and we'll be a little more settled down.
Mr. Dominic will be in trial in the Wayne County Circuit Court. I think that they work for myself, but if you're wanting Mr. Dominic to be here,
Well, we're not holding an exam on that date, so you'll be able to tell us if you want one or waive it. If you think you can handle him, I'm happy to have you come back. If you think Mr. Gonick should handle him, then we'll give you a new date. It's up to you.
I would say in this instance, I would feel more comfortable if Mr. Dominic handled his own.
Well, you know what? You got to cut your teeth somehow. We've all had this.
Just don't.
Ask Miss Gracie. Okay. Ask Mr. Puda. We've all dealt with difficult clients.
We got this Gracie right. He's an expert in this.
I've had my share over the years when I was licensed to practice law. So, by his standards, I'm not licensed. Okay. Yeah. 25th at 9:30 will be good. His bond will be continued. And just have Mr. Gonick visit him and talk to him, and hopefully he'll be a little more settled down. Okay, that concludes that matter.